Channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha, and I know I look crazy right now, but I did want to show you what protein treatment I do use in my hair, and it's actually just an egg mask. I know a lot of other girls do use the AVOCADO protein treatment, but I like to keep it simple and easy, and it's not expensive. So show you how I apply the treatment in my hair, and I will show you the results after I apply it in my hair. I love it because it defines my curls, like I said, bring moisture back into my hair. So, like I said, I look crazy right now, but I will show you how I came from looking like this to that. So, keep watching. Usually when I have my hair up in a bun, I notice that my hair becomes a little tangled. So as you can see, I'm starting from the ends of my hair and working my way up to comb out all the tangles and making sure everything is smooth when I start to put my hair in sections. And as you can see, guys, I do like to put my hair in 4 sections because it's easier to work through my hair. So guys, I know you've seen my jacked up middle part, but if any of you have a widow's peak, then you know the struggle of trying to get that part straight. So I have to go back and correct it several times in order to get it a little straight. Now that my hair is in sections, I do like to work my way from the back of my hair to the front, which I find to be way easier to do. But before I get started, guys, I do like to apply a little bit of water from my spray bottle to my hair to just get it a little damp, because I notice that it's harder to apply the mask when my hair is too dry. Also, guys, if you do decide to apply this mask to your hair, make sure you do have a towel around your neck and also towels on the floor, because it can tend to get a little messy and drip everywhere. So like I said, guys, this mask can tend to get a little bit messy. So after I do apply the mask to one section of my hair, I do like to twist it all the way down to the ends and twirl it up with a bobby pin, because this way I know that it will not drip down to the ends, and also allows the mask to stay sealed in. Also, guys, when you are applying this mask, make sure that you are evenly distributing it throughout each section of your hair. I like to massage the mask a little at the scalp and work my way all the way down to the ends of my hair. Sometimes when I have a little bit of the mask left over and I feel like I didn't apply enough, I tend to go back through the sections of my hair and apply a little bit more. But as you can see, guys, the mask is working how I wanted to, and my curls are starting to look great. And now that I'm all done, I can put my cap on to seal in the mask, and I tend to let it stay in my hair for about 30 minutes or so. Hi guys, so I just finished washing the egg mask out of my hair. So as you can see why I love using that type of protein treatment, because my hair is really defined. My curls have volume to it. So I was skeptical at first because my hair was straight and I didn't think my curls would come back. And that's why I did use that protein treatment, because my hair was dry and I did want to see some type of juicy curls, a little bounce back. But If you comment and tell me what your protein treatment that you use, I will try to use it on my hair and see the results of yours as well. But please like and comment, and thank you for watching.